I'm recording on a Sony ZV-E10. This is a fantastic camera for content creators or vloggers, and this is what it looks like under low light condition. As you can see, still get a very clean video image in the background, and it can go very blurry. The autofocus is excellent. Very sharp image. I'm using a Sigma f1.4 lens. This is my Sigma f1.4 lens. It's a great fit for the Sony camera. Just match the white dot and twist. If you use this camera to do live stream like I do, then there are a few things you have to know so you can get the most out of it. First of all, disable the automatic HDR. Otherwise, you will get a very overexposed picture if you have a bright background like this and walk all the way up to the camera. Then with the automatic HDR setting, auto exposure is just incorrect. Second, pick the 4K 24p from the movie recording option. If you pick 4K 30p, the image is going to be cropped and you won't get such a wider shot, even if you use a Sigma f1.4. In order to get the sharpest image, even if you do 1080p live stream, still pick the 4K from the menu. At 1080p, the image quality is significantly worse than the 4K. It is extremely noticeable. You might want to use a fan to blow at the camera so it doesn't overheat. You also need to keep in mind that this camera can only do 720p when used as a webcam through that USB Type-C cable. I bought this camera under the impression that 1080p is supported, but to get the best image quality out of it, again, you have to use a capture card through that micro HDMI cable. I hope you find this review helpful, and thank you very much for watching. I've been waiting for this camera for a very long time. It's time for me to upgrade. It's very lightweight. Amazing. Yeah, the same kind of screen design as the Alpha 7S Mark III. Just match the white dot and twist.